The joy of learning the Kadenze way is a direct response to the crisis in education today. In it, Kadenze speaks back to the shambles caused by COVID, student disengagement, and the rise of continuous partial attention in classrooms, work intensification for teachers, the challenges of remote, online and blended learning, and the millions of teachers who are exiting the profession right now. The joy of learning the Kadenze way is a breakthrough course, building a coherent pedagogy of creativity for learners of all ages and across all disciplines. It does this by attending to each learner's creative capacities, imaginative experimentation, curiosity, and embodied intelligences.